This tutorial on how to create viral quiz videos will be very simple, clear, and concise. It's divided into 4 parts. Let's start with the good niche idea. So the general knowledge quiz is the most popular one, even if you search on TikTok, but there are other niche that also stack up millions of views. So my advice is that you look into other niche before you make your final decision on which one to settle for, and that's it. Let's move on to the next, which is the script. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. Take note of this prompt to generate your question. You can just screenshot it and edit it your way. Also, make sure you get your question in a tabular format because it will be useful later on in the video. Now, this is a plus. Something else you should generate is a... Listen to this.
You get 10 out of 10? You're a genius.
Now, this particular hook made some people stay till the end of the video. And this is proved in the comment section. They just needed to prove that, oh my God, I'm a genius, or oh, I'm not a genius. So you should also try to tell people to give up their score in the comment section. Now, if you do not know the right hook to use for your video, type this hook into ChatGPT and ask it for, other hooks you can use for your own video. You get multiple options. Now to voiceover. For this, we need 11 labs. And while in 11 labs, go back to ChatGPT and copy the questions into 11 labs. Copying the question is easier with the table, like I said earlier. Remember to do it line by line. It will aid in splitting the voice into different parts later on in CapCut. Now, go on to play around with the voices and voice settings to determine which one suits you. Make sure to add enough punctuation marks. It makes the speech a bit better. After generating, make sure you preview it. That's listen to it before you go on to save it. You'll have something like this.
What is the capital of France?
So let's move on to editing. We need a very good background video for this, as it's for general questions. I'll be going for something nature related. You should select a video that does not distract your audience attention for the main question. Make sure the footage is not short and make sure it fits the TikTok frame. Go on and download it for free. On the same site, pixels.com at the top, just change the interface to pictures because we need pictures that align with each question. If you have 10 questions, you need 10 images. So since the first question is about France, we'll pick something that relates to France. Make sure to select a square image as the image is not meant to cover the entire video frame. So go on and download it for free. Sound effects are very, very important to keep your viewers engaged. And you'll realize this when we whip the entire video together. For sound effects, free sound effects, visit pizzabay.com. The important sound effects for the quiz videos are 1, ticking clock. So it creates suspense while your viewers think about the correct answer. The second one is the ding sound when the right answer appears on the screen. Then finally, the whoosh is used for transition from one question to the other. On the screen is a demo on how you can just easily download them. Now to CapCut, let's bring everything together. Import the background video from pixels.com. I'm duplicating it to make it longer. You have to do this a couple of times depending on the number of questions you choose. Click on overlay and bring in your image from pixels.com, the one we downloaded previously. It should be on your gallery. Adjust on the screen to whatever position you want it to be. Import the audio you downloaded from 11 labs. Click on text. Click on auto caption. Then click on all. Wait for a few moments to generate auto caption. Once you have them on your screen, you can long press and drag the one you don't need for now backwards. Click on text. Then click on style. Select your preferred font, adjust the size or color to your preference. You can also adjust it on the screen. For animation, I'll be using typewriter. You can explore others. I'm just checking out the effects here.
What is the capital of France?
Then extend the sound for the first question out. You see why I moved others to the back now. Copy your options from ChatGPT and paste them in CapCut. The table makes it easier. Adjust font and size to your preference in style. Now I'll pause for this. To add timer, click on overlay. Now listen, you can get whatever timer you need on YouTube. This is the description for the one I'm using presently. Screen record it. Let's continue. Click on overlay and bring in the timer video. Click remove BG. Click on chroma key. Move it to the green part and adjust intensity. Adjust the speed of the video. My timer to sync is 3.5 seconds. Then check it out. Duplicate correct answer in text. Bring it forward. Adjust style or font to whatever you like. Now to sound effects. Click audio, then sound. Click on device, then go on to import from files. I'll be using the clock ticking sound I downloaded from Pixabay. Place it where the loading bar begins and ends. You can adjust it. Now listen.
What is the capital of France?
Then bring in the ding idea sound from Pixabay. Put it where the correct answer appears. Listen. Add animation when the correct answer appears. Click on it. Click on animation. I'll be using zoom out. Make adjustments so each element appears at the right time. Let's add transition for the next question. I will not be fully editing it. I just want to show you. Click on the circled part, select your preferred transition. I'm adjusting the text for the next question. This is where you add the whoosh sound for the transition. To make it better, go to overlay and add animation to the image that matches each question. I'm using the zoom animation. I'll add the whoosh sound from Sound Effect Lab to make it better. Now let's check out the final product.
What is the capital of France?
That's all. So don't forget that consistency is the key. You just have to create so many videos like this, and don't forget the part where I mentioned researching your niche. I'll bring in more and more niches for you, so make sure you follow.